Hey, Andres here with Wagonerroofing. Today we're going to be doing a cedar shake repair. This is what they look like. I'll go up there and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so as you can see, something chewed on it or somehow it got damaged. So we're going to replace this one piece right here. First thing you do, you got to get yourself one of these Cedar ripper. I got it from Amazon. It's only like 50 bucks. Slide it in here. Try to find that nail that's holding it down. As you can see, pulls that nail out pretty good. You gotta make sure you grab it. Comes right out. All right, so once you got your old one out, grab a new one. Just make sure it fits in here, and then all you got to do is slide it back in place. Leave it down a little bit, hanging down a little bit, and then this is how you nail it in. Grab a couple nails, angle them a little bit. And then push it back in so they can even up with this course here. Perfect. And see how they hide? You can't see them. So that's how you do it.